Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your username on the Dominoes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the edit profile option. In the first section, the name, click to the text box and you can write another username, and if you don't, just click to the OK button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.